In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix missing Google Play Store for Android. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the Google Play Store is a core system app that can't be deleted, but it can be disabled or hidden. So if it's vanished from your Android phone, there's a few different things you could go ahead and do. Let's say it's not on your home screen. Obviously, I have it twice here, but let's say it's not. Swipe up and you're going to see your app drawer. Then go to search, and then you can just go ahead and manually type in Play Store like so, and then you should see it there. Once you find it, long press on it, and then you're going to see add to home as one of the options. So when you long press on it, press add to home, and then over here, you can just move it wherever you want as well. And what you could also do is if it's still not showing in your app drawer, don't worry. What you want to go ahead and do is go over and see if it's hidden. So if I long press on an empty area on my screen, it's going to look like this. Then go to settings on the bottom right, scroll down, and you're going to see hide apps on home and app screens. Go here and see if Play Store is going to be, checked. If it's currently checked right now, all you got to do is uncheck it and then it won't be hidden anymore. Now, the final thing you can do is swipe down on the top right and it's going to show your control panel. Then on the top right again, press that little settings wheel cog icon, go and scroll down and you're going to see apps towards the very bottom. Click on that. And then over here, just go to Google Play Store and then go ahead and find it, click on it. And if it's disabled at the bottom, go ahead and enable it and then you'll be able to use it again. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.